everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink your Steam account from your EA account step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Go to the official EA website at ea.com. You do not need to use the Steam website for this process. Once the EA website opens, click the profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Sign In. Enter the login information for the EA account that is currently linked to your Steam account. Then select Account Settings. This will open the settings for your EA account. In the menu on the left, scroll down until you find Connections. Click Connections. Here, you'll see the different platforms and accounts currently connected to your EA account. Look for Steam in the list. Next to Steam, click Unlink. EA may ask you to verify your identity using a security code. If prompted, enter the security code that EA sends to you. You will also see a confirmation explaining that you are about to unlink your Steam account. Read the information carefully. If you want to continue, confirm the option and click Unlink again. Your Steam account should now be removed from the Connections section. And that's all there is to it.